FedEx office to get the
Great.
printout. The printout is like 100 page, like for
Yes.
both 156 page, and that's a lot.
Okay, okay. So if you are not able to get the printout, now I'm just telling you the solution. You just take the copy and you can write down the questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, in every class you can write down the questions so that you can do in the copy. Okay, if you get the printout, that's best. Yes, Ruchika.
Ma'am, I have I think around half the printouts. I need to get the other half. Can I get
That's
it
great.
today?
If you have the printouts, that's great. Kusumanshi, do you have printouts?
Ma'am, I have showed you yesterday only.
No,
See, ma'am.
you have. You have. Very good, and you got the spiral also. That's great. Nice.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
have date also.
Great. And how many pages you have done? Everybody start your video.
Ma'am, still 12. After that, I left some pages. After that, I left for my sister. After that, I started from
Okay,
18.
listen. Don't try to do question in one book. Both of you. If you and your sister both are doing, you have to get 2 printouts. Okay. Okay. Now let's start our work. So first of all, we are going to write the compliments. Okay. So open your copy and start writing compliments. 5's compliments. Okay. And first of all, let's write friends. So you remember the friends? No. You have to do this in copy. After that, I'm going to give you work in the book. Okay. Who is the friend of 1?
4.
Very good. Who is a friend of 2?
3.
3.
Good. And who is a friend of 3?
2.
2.
Great.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, you put
Wait. The typing mistake. Okay. Now who is a friend of 4?
1. 1.
Fine.
1.
Now let's write the complement. 1 plus 1 is equals to?
Plus 5 minus 4.
5 minus 4.
That's great. Plus 5 minus 4. Who is giving these answers very quickly?
Ma'am, can you slow down? I'm not able to catch.
Okay. Plus 2 is equals to?
Plus 5
Plus 5
minus
minus
3.
3. 5 minus 3.
Ruchika, don't worry. I'm going to give you time. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
First, focus on what I'm writing and revise all the thing. After that, I'll give you time to write. Okay. Plus 3 is equals to?
Plus 5 minus 2.
Very good. Plus 3 is equals to? Plus 5 minus 2. Great. Okay. Plus 4 is equals to?
Plus 5 minus 5 minus 1.
Plus 5 minus 1. Perfect. Okay. Now note it down. Everybody note it down in the copy.
Hello. थोड़ा सा राइटिंग बाकी है वो चलो कंप्लीट करेगा इसमें मैं करूँ सारा हाँ उधर से चेकआउट करके देखते हैं चेकआउट करके पूरा पासिंग स्टार्ट करा के थोड़ा सा
Done, Nitin? Very good.
Ma'am, done.
Shivesh, done. Hitesh?
Done.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay.
I'm done.
Shreyasi, have you done? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then Kusumanjri and Ruchika. They are still doing. Let's wait for them.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I'm done. Ma'am, I'm
Done?
also done, ma'am.
Okay. I think all of you have done. Venugopal, have you done?
Ma'am, I don't have a copy. I need to get one.
What?
I don't have a copy.
Where are you? Where are you? At home? Speak loudly. You are at home now?
Ma'am,
Then how is it possible that there's no copy and pen?
I don't have a printer.
What?
I don't have a printer. Ma'am.
Do you have a copy? Any copy?
Ma'am, you made a reference.
For writing?
Yes, ma'am. I have.
Then you have written now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, you have to make a separate copy, like normal register type. And photocopy of the book is different. That is book. Okay. If you don't have, then you can write the questions. Okay. Now shall I start? Sharing the book? Okay. So you have written. Now I'm going to share the book. So you have done +1. So let's do some question of +1, +2. After that, today we are going to move on +3. Okay. So here is the book. And I'm going to share the pages. Just a second. Can you see the book?
Yes, ma'am. Can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just a second. Okay. Wait. Start doing this page. Start doing this page and send all answer. Although these questions are very easy, you solve the page. I'll write the question on the screen. Okay. Done. And those who are having the book, those who are having the printout, this is page number 21 and you have to do it in the book. Okay. Do this in the book, and those who got the printout, you can finish the work till 18 page. Okay. Till page 18 you can do. Done.
Ma'am, done,
Give
ma'am.
me 5 minutes, ma'am.
5 minutes.
Ma'am,
No,
done.
I can give only 2 minutes. 2 minutes are more than enough.
I'm done.
Very good. See, they all have done. Ruchika,
Ma'am,
have you done?
done.
Vedika done?
Ma'am, I'm almost done.
Vedika, your concepts are clear. You sit with Advika and Do some practice, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
She is confused in compliment. Sometimes she get the answer, she get the wrong answer. So you just sit with her, okay? Aditya, have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Kohinoor, have you done? Venugopal, have you done? I'm not getting your voice. And show me your tool. Okay, great. Sanjita, have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Akshara, have you done?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm doing the last two.
Akshara, I think you join at 4 p.m. na?
What, ma'am?
Don't you join at 4 p.m.?
No, ma'am. I join in the morning every
Okay.
Saturday and Sunday.
This is Kohinoor and I'm done.
Done? Okay. Just
I'm
a
done.
second. Once let them finish, then we'll write the answer. I will write the answer, okay?
Ma'am, is it first 10 or complete page?
You have done?
No, I'm asking, do I do like the first 10 questions or the whole page?
All page, complete page.
Okay. Ma'am, I have completed.
Very good. Very good. Kusumanjari, have you done?
Ma'am, just now I have only 10, ma'am.
Okay, so now I'm writing answers. Fine, you have to match your answers. After that, we are going to move to next page, okay? Just a second, na? Match your answers.
Ma'am, we need to send in chat to you.
No. Match your answers. Don't send answers in chat box today, okay? Match your answers and tell me
Ma'am, all
whether
correct.
they are correct or not. All correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
correct, ma'am.
Very
Ma'am,
good. Very good.
yes, all
Okay.
correct.
Now let's start next page. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just a second now. First, let me erase the answers. After that, I will share next page with you. Just a second.
all
Again,
are correct.
practice. Okay,
Ma'am,
those
all
are
are
having. Listen, one more thing. Those are having printouts now. I'm telling you how you have to do the work. Can you see the work in upper portion, complement and friends?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to do that work also. I'm just telling you how you have to do. Like it is +1 now. See, already complement is written. You have to copy that. +5 -4. +5 -4. +5 -4. +5 -4. After that, friends. Who is the friend of 1? 4. Who is the friend of 2? 3. 3's friend is 2. 1. 3. Okay, this is how you have to do this page.
Ma'am, I did
Right?
not understand.
Who is saying this?
Ma'am, Kusmanjari.
Kusumanjari, can you see this work in the upper portion?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see that I have written the complements?
Yes, ma'am.
+1 is equals to +5 -4. So you have to write it 4 times. After that, friends. You know friends already?
Yes,
Friend
ma'am.
of 1 is 4. Who is a friend of 2? 3. 3 is friend 2. Just simple.
Okay, ma'am.
Then all the questions. Start doing all the questions. After that, I'm going to give you puzzle also, okay?
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Done? Very good.
Ma'am, done.
Done? That's
Yes.
great. Okay. How many of you have not done? Kusumanjri, have you done? Sanskriti, have you done? Nitin, you are still doing? Do it. Finish it, don't worry. And do it. Are you doing in your book now? Great, great.
I'm done.
Done? Great.
Ma'am, done.
Done? Great. Some students are still doing, so I'm just waiting for them, then we'll match the answers, okay?
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Done. Meanwhile, you can write your answer in chat box.
Okay.
So that you will not be sitting free now.
Ma'am, finished.
Finished. Nitin, have you finished?
There are just 2 more rows of questions.
Okay, finish it fast. I'm waiting. Done? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, how
ma'am.
many of you have done? Show me your thumbs up. Only Nitin is doing. I'm just waiting for him, then we will start next page. Okay, Aditya. Good, good, good. Just, I think he is about to finish. Nitin, done? Why are you taking time? Because you don't take time.
No, I just have the last row.
Finished.
Just the last row. I need to
Still,
finish.
do it fast. Increase the speed. I think you were writing compliment and friends. Am I right? No? Still? Okay. Meanwhile, you finish your work and I'm writing the answer so that just after that you can match your answers.
Ma'am, we can't see the down answers.
Now tell me, can you see?
Yes, ma'am, mine all are correct.
All correct. Ma'am, all
Great.
correct.
Ma'am,
That's
all
great
correct.
if all are correct. Great, great, great. All are correct. Good. Very good.
Ma'am, we should do the next page.
Ipshita, you joined late today.
I was waiting for the tool. I got it.
You
So
got your tool? Show me.
this
Great.
one, yeah.
You got new tool? That's great. Now you can increase your speed, you know. Okay, we were doing just +1 complement. Ipshita, did you get the printout of the book?
No, because your printer doesn't have any paper. So, but today we're going to the library. So there they have a printer. So we'll get the paper from there and maybe
Okay,
find.
no problem, no problem. So meanwhile, you can write your answer on your copy, okay? So we were just doing +1. Now we are going to start +2. So you can continue with us, okay? Yeah. And do you remember the compliments?
Yeah. I'm gonna come back, get my charger because my battery is low.
Yes, yes, yes.
I'm done, ma'am.
Done? Match your answer.
Ma'am, all
Match your
correct.
answer so that we can move to next page.
Ma'am, all correct. I told you.
Great.
Ma'am, I'm done with mine. I finished like a few minutes back, but I forgot to tell.
Okay, no problem, Chika.
Yeah, I finished before Nitin.
Okay, okay.
Just
Nitin, how many mistakes?
I think I got all of them correct.
Very good. If all
Just
of them
one
are
wrong.
correct. One
Oh.
wrong.
No. I got all of them correct.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Okay. Now I'm going to start page number 23. So open your page number 23 and you already know how to do +2. So what's the complement? It's +5 -3. Okay. +5 -3. +5 -3. +5 -3. That you can write after the class if you have the book. Don't waste your time in writing that. And after that, friends, you have to write. I'm just doing it. You start doing questions. Okay. Start doing questions. Ipshita, you also start doing questions. Start doing questions. Start doing questions.
I'm
Completed.
I'm done.
Done. Good.
Ma'am, done.
Very good. Some students are doing. Okay. By the time I'm writing one question for you, you can try that. Okay. If 11 into 11, 11 multiplied by 11 is equals to 4. 22 into 22, those have done, this is for them only, okay, is 16. So what will be 33 into 33? What will be the answer? Those have done the questions, they can try this. Nitin, have you done?
Not yet.
Do it fast.
Mom, I'm done.
Who has done?
Mom, I'm done with like the
Sanjita,
book.
you have done with the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you can try this question, which I have given on the screen.
Are you supposed to write the answers in the chat? Like, do
No,
you?
no need to post the answer in the chat. We are matching the answers of every page. Okay. You just finish the question. Once everybody will finish, we will match the answers. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Done.
Done, ma'am.
Then have you done this question which I have given you, the maths puzzle?
Done, ma'am, and the puzzle is done.
Ma'am, the puzzle.
And Akshara, just a second, just a second. Wait, let me change the settings of the chat. Now you can send your answer to me only. Now start writing your answers. Those have done this puzzle, answer of puzzle write in chat. Aditya, wrong. Akshara, wrong. Hitesh, wrong. It's wrong. Akshara, again wrong. Check the logic of first two, then apply in third.
I'm done with the first set of questions. Now, can I do the second set of questions now?
Yes, yes, you have to finish all the question in one go. Shreyasi, wrong.
Ma'am, I'm confused in this puzzle.
Again wrong. Akshara still, Kohinoor wrong. Why you are confused? Kusumanjri wrong. Okay, okay. After matching these answers, we are going to solve the puzzle. Okay. Then I will give you more questions.
Oh, ma'am, I'm solving it, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Kusumanjri wrong. First, I'll ask logic from you, then I will explain.
I'm not done yet, but I think I might know the answer.
Okay, then you can try. Ruchika wrong. Hitesh, very good. Now it's correct. Vedika wrong. Instead of multiplication, Vedika, I think you have done addition. Shreyasi wrong. First, Hitesh
I'm
got
wrong.
the correct answer. Only Hitesh. No, Venugopal, it's not. Very good, Kusumanjri. Have you taken the help? Aditya still wrong. Shreyasi is still wrong.
Ma'am, the logic, ma'am, what is it?
Okay,
Ma'am, don't tell, ma'am. I'm thinking.
Kusumanjri will tell the logic. And those who have not done the question, kindly do it fast.
Okay, ma'am.
No, Akshara. Look at the question carefully. First, observe the question.
Ma'am, the second answer,
And
ma'am, will use
Kusumanjri,
some
one
other
more
kind
thing.
of logic, ma'am.
Wait, you are not allowed to switch off your video. Understand? From the next time, it's not allowed. Okay?
Ma'am, the answer when I gave 36, ma'am, I thought of one logic, ma'am. Can I tell that?
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, for that answer 36, ma'am, 33 into 33, how did I got was? And the first one, 11 into 11, it is like 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. We can say 2 into 2, which is equal
Yeah.
to 4. Then, like that, I did for 22 into 22 also. Like 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 into 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. 4 into 4, 16. Then I did like that with 33. 3 into 3, 6 plus 6, like that. 3 plus 3 and then 3 plus 6. And then multiply it with 6 into 6, it is 36. I did like that for that 36 one. Ma'am, you understood, ma'am?
Okay. So your logic is correct. See, this is the different. This is what we do in logical reasoning. Logic should be correct. Answer can be different. You are multiplying. Otherwise, the way Hitesh got the answer, it was 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. So addition of their digit is being multiplied. 3 plus 3, 9. 3 plus 3, 9. 9 into 9, 81. Am I right, Hitesh?
I did it,
What is logic?
No, I
No?
didn't use. No,
Then
That's
how
how I
did
did it.
you solve that? Tell me.
So basically, in the second one, I got to know that like 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16. We are using exponents, so I did 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, and then I got the answer.
Yeah, that's also correct. That's also correct.
Ma'am, you said that
Clapping.
3 plus 3 is 9.
Okay, 3 plus 3 is 6. Sorry.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 3 plus 3 is 6 into 3 plus 3 is 6. I did that and I got
36.
36.
Yes,
ma'am.
yes. And Hitesh is also correct. So see, different question, different logic. And I hope now, Nitin, you have done the question.
Ma'am, can you check my answer?
Wait. Vedika, no, it's not correct. Vedika, can you give me the logic of this answer? How did you get it?
Yes, ma'am. When we multiply 11 into 11, we get 121. And when we add 1 plus 2 plus 1, we get 4. And then when we multiply 22 into 22, we get 484. When we add those numbers, we get 16. So similarly, if we add 1089, we'll get 18.
Very good. That's also correct. See,
Then again I give answer as 18.
logic is applying in first and second. If your logic is correct in first and second, then automatically third answer will be correct. That's also correct. Good.
Ma'am, the last two answers I gave, ma'am, the last one answer I did the trick of Vedika with sheet.
Okay. Nitin, have you done now? Shall I write the answers? Shall I write the answers? Okay. So now I'm writing the answers. You can match your answers, then we'll move to next page, okay? Match your answers. Write down your answer, match your answers. Are you getting correct answers?
Ma'am, all correct.
Very good, very good. So we have done practice of +1 and +2. I think one more page is there for +2. Let's check. After that, we are going to move to +3, okay? And what about feedback? Have you done the, have you completed the process? Ipshita?
Not really.
So you have to do it, okay? Those have not done, you have to finish it. Fine? Okay, now let's move to next page. Nitin, all answers are correct? Nitin? Where is he?
Yes, ma'am.
All answers are correct?
Yes.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay. Now one more sheet of +2. Start doing it. This time I'm not writing compliments on the top of the sheet. Okay, you know the complement, so start doing the questions. And those who will finish this these questions fast, I will give you one puzzle. Okay.
Ma'am, I know many puzzles like that type of.
You have? Shresi, you have?
Ma'am, I have many types of puzzles like that.
You can share with me. Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Who has done?
Vedika.
Ma'am, done.
Vedika, very good. Aditya, very good. Shivesh, you have also done?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So 3 students have done. I'm just waiting a few more minutes, okay? Do it fast.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Done, Sanjita. Very good. Okay. So 4 students have done now. I'm writing the question for you. You have to find the missing numbers, okay? And then you have to send the answer in chat box. Do it.
Ma'am, for the puzzle, do we have to add or subtract this to get 4, 7 and then the other number?
What?
Do we have to add or subtract to get 4, 7 and the missing number over here?
Only add. Only add. Wait.
Okay.
It's addition.
That is a puzzle, ma'am, which you wrote at the side.
Yes,
Ma'am.
yes. Once you finish your question, you can start doing it and you can send me the answers.
Puzzle is, I think, kind of easy.
It is confusing.
No, ma'am, it's easy.
Easy. Okay, you want difficult one?
Ma'am, I have done the puzzle.
Then you can send your answer in chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
I will check.
Ma'am,
I'm done. Ma'am, I'm done with the page.
You have done? Then you can start solving the puzzle.
Ma'am, this is Kohinor and I'm done with the page.
Ma'am, I
You have
have
done
one doubt with the puzzle.
Yes, tell me.
You know how 2 plus 8 is 10, right?
Yes.
Carry the 1 and
Yeah.
we'll have a 0 in the bottom, and then the number, I don't think it will still be 7. It will be an 8.
It can be 7. You have to take such number which will make it 7.
Okay.
And that is the puzzle actually.
Answer given, ma'am.
What?
Answer given for the puzzle.
Okay, I'm just taking it.
Ma'am, from the first box to the last box, ma'am, like that I gave in commas.
Okay, I'm just taking it. Just a second. Huh? Shashi, wrong. Shivesh, you were saying, ma'am, it's easy. If you carry 1, if you add 8 and 2, you will get 10, right? If you carry forward 1, then 7 plus 1 and one number should be there. And after adding all those numbers, you should get again 7. You have to think like that.
Okay.
Ma'am, is my answer right? Ma'am, can you check my answer?
Who is
too?
Ruchika?
Ma'am, I am completed with the
Oh,
page.
Ruchika.
Ma'am, I have sent you the answer.
Correct.
Can you take it?
Ruchika, correct. Sanjita.
I know how to do this kind of problem because in school in 4th class I did like this lot.
That's great.
Ma'am,
Very
is mine
strong.
correct?
Sanjita, correct, but little mistake. Who is asking? Akshara? Akshara, very good, correct.
Ma'am, did you get my answer?
Yeah, I got your
8
answer.
plus 2.
How can you take
ma'am, I'm
-1,
not understanding
Vedika?
that.
It's not the question of integers.
I completed all the set of questions.
Very good. Try again.
I gave you the
I'm
answer.
not
Then
totally
you can also
understanding
try
that.
the puzzle. What?
Ma'am, I send you the answer in the chat for that.
No.
Ma'am,
No. It's not correct.
ma'am, I have I have all the printouts now. My dad took all the printouts during class time. So I have the printouts and I did this page on the workbook.
Okay. No problem.
But I don't have like a notebook, like a spiral to keep the
No
pages.
problem.
Ma'am, why isn't the one which I gave ma'am not correct?
I'm just telling you.
Ma'am, like if after what I gave answer, ma'am, after that we do addition.
Okay. Your answer. You have written blank answer of blank boxes, no? Correct. It's correct. Correct. Okay, now I'm just telling you, see, if you add 8 and 2, you get 0. Then we have to carry forward 1. Now 7 plus 1, 8, and here it should be a number which will give you again 7 at unit place. Because you cannot add 1, 2, 3, na? So there should be a number.
9.
Yes.
9.
Possible number is 9. Then why are you saying minus 1? Again, if you add all these numbers, you will get to carry forward as 1. Now 3 plus 1 is already 4. So what should be here? It should be 0.
0.
Okay. Now you got it?
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now let's match our answers.
Can you give us a simple puzzle this time?
That was simple, Nitin. Was it
No.
difficult?
Ma'am, can I share one of my puzzle, ma'am?
Yeah, like
Sure. Okay, Nitin, was it difficult?
no, when we're done with the 25th page.
Okay. First of all, match your answers. After that, we are going to do it.
I'm all correct.
Correct.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
all
all
correct.
Correct? Very good. All
All
correct?
of them correct.
Great.
Ma'am, all correct.
Okay.
Ma'am, all
okay.
correct.
Great.
Ma'am, I was going to do it wrong until I realized that there was a subtraction sign.
Okay. Now, shall I give you another question?
Ma'am, I want one more puzzle.
You want one more puzzle? Okay, now I will stop sharing my screen. And now, let's start doing these puzzles, okay? And you all have to try. Okay. So,
I gave one puzzle, ma'am.
what should be the next number? I'm writing it. Wait.
Ma'am, you're not sharing your screen.
Wait. Control C. I'm writing it on the whiteboard. Don't worry. Okay. So this question is given by Shreyasi, and you have to find the answer, and Shreyasi will tell whether it is correct or not. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we should find for this answer.
Yes. See, she has given some numbers in a series, and she is asking that what should be the next number. Am I right, Shreyasi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so who is going to do it? See, Okay, Ruchika. And Shreyasi will let you know whether the answer is correct or not.
Okay, first, like you have to do.
First answer.
math.
Shreyasi, Ruchika, first answer. First tell the
Oh,
first
I
final
still didn't get the answer. I'm still doing.
answer. Okay, okay. Do
I
it.
thought you meant like explanation to the
No, no, no,
answer.
no, no. You have to give the answer.
Okay, yeah, because I'm doing the answer.
Then after that, Shreyasi will tell the answer. If it is correct or not. And Shreyasi, you have to explain us that how did you get the answer, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And I'm going to give you only 2 minutes. If you don't find answer in the 2 minutes, Shreyasi will explain. Do it fast. I think, Shreyasi, they are not going to find the answer. You should tell us.
I don't get, ma'am. It's very
No
confusing.
problem. No. Okay, now Shreyasi, start explaining. What will be the answer and how did you get it? We are not getting your voice.
Shreyasi, try plugging your headphones.
Now speak. Still not audible.
Can't hear you.
Plug it out and then plug in again.
Yeah. Yes, Shreyasi, try speaking. It's not coming.
Okay, you can remove your hands free and then you can use mic.
She can type in the chat.
Yeah, she can type
No,
in
no,
chat.
no, no, no. I want explanation.
How about you change your mic?
Yeah, Shreyasi, are you getting us? Are you getting our voice?
Ma'am, maybe she can rejoin.
Yeah.
No, no, no. Shreyasi, remove it. The mic is not working. Remove it and then use the mic of your system. Remove your hands free from the laptop. Are you taking class through laptop? She's typing something. Okay.
Maybe.
Her mic is not working. Okay, Shreyasi, then that's good. I'm just taking the screenshot of this question and you are going to explain in the next class. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm just sending this question in the group and you also try to find it. Okay. And now I'll be ending. Wait. Let me click the picture of this. Okay. Now we can, now I'll be ending this session. Okay. And Shreyasi, let's see this question in the next class. Okay. Okay. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.